Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Prime Video accounts. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.primevideo.com and press enter. Doing so will take you to the official webpage of Amazon Prime Video. To log into your account, click on this Prime Video member sign-in link on the left-hand side. You'll end up in the sign-in area where you can enter your email or mobile phone number followed by the password. Type in your email or mobile phone number that is associated with the Prime Video account in the first text box and type in your password on the next field. If you would like the system to keep you signed in, check this little keep me signed in box beneath. If you don't want to do that, leave it unchecked and then finally click on the sign in button in order to log into your Prime Video account. If you've forgotten your password during logging in, you can get help by clicking on Forgot Your Password link. Finally, after filling in the details and clicking on sign in, go ahead and approve the notification sent to your email address and you'll be able to get access to your account. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.